4x4 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2003 Dodge 3500 Laramie Crew Cab dually diesel 4x4. So nicely equipped truck with a Laramie package. Actual mile truck, odometer reads 154,489. Originally a California, Colorado truck, never been driven in winters, so before coming to Minnesota. From the West Coast, 5.9 liter Cummins diesel underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front grille. It does have a painted to match, a bug shield. Front fascia or bumper, nice shape. Paint shows well, nice shine to it. Yeah, the truck's been driven. You're gonna find a small little imperfection or maybe a small little pebble chip or what have you along the lines here and there, but overall, nice, solid, clean truck. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, the bed of it. Check out all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Dodge chrome wheels up front, Firestone radials, and you can see quite a bit of tread left on those tires. Laverne Nerf bars, and if you take a look at these lower rockers, you can see there's no rust, corrosion coming through. Rest of the passenger side also shows well. I did notice a little bit on the roof where there was a few just kind of dings on the roof, a little bit of hail, and there's just a couple spots on the hood. It's very fine. It's not going to affect the performance of this truck. Take a look at the still pictures. I did shoot the roof too, so you can see that. Bed's been used a little bit, nothing too crazy, and you can see we do have a fifth wheel ball already installed in there, so if you did want to pull a fifth wheel trailer, camper, what have you. Also have the regular receiver on the rear of it, of course, with your lighting outlet. Some nice big rock guards already installed, so you're not going to be pelting your trailer with pebbles or stones. Tires on the rear, also looking good. And wearing even too, not all cupped, wearing well. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We will start it up real quick. I want to let you hear it run. We'll take a quick peek underneath the hood. I'm going to pull it outside when I do that, just so I don't have it running indoors here a whole lot since it is a diesel. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. Tailpipe had a hole in it. Rest of the exhaust, great shape, and it really doesn't affect the sound or how it performs or runs. There is a bunch of receipts too on service work from 2004 and on. So from present back to 2004, there will be receipts, and there'll be a folder of that with those receipts in the trunk. You can see driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Those lower rockers, again, free of rust, corrosion. Now, if you like Dodge trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. I want to show you the condition of these rear seats. They're practically like new. Suede inlays. Headliner also nice shape. Let's check out this interior up front a little closer. Infinity stereo system. Power mirrors, power locks, power windows. It's one of those. We have the floor mats on the floor mats. That tells you anything about how the interior is taken care of. Very little wear on the seating. Seating's in nice shape again. Suede inlays up front. What, 40-20-40 split bench up front with a fold down armrest. Steering wheel controls. Also in the front for cruise. Exact miles. Show you those quick. 154,489. And I will pull it outside here shortly. Start it up, let you hear it run. AM/FM cassette, dual climate control, driver and passenger, 4-wheel on the go, heated seats. So again, a very nicely equipped pickup, no doubt about that, with the Laramie package. And dash looks good. Tell this thing was stored indoors besides. And again, headliner looks good. Tell you what, let me go ahead. I'm gonna pause this. Let's get this outside, start it up, take a peek at that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. All right, got her outside. Try to get out of the wind a little bit so we get too much of that in the microphone here. All right, I did want to show you stereo system is working. By the way, what you see going on there, that is not happening in real life in the truck. That's the phase on the video. So that is not flashing in the truck right now. It's due to the video. All right, again, dash looks good. There's an information center up above, and that same thing, that's the phase. There you go. There, it's in phase, so it's not flashing. And that's the way it's supposed to be. See if this will do it here too. There you go. Tried to get the sun at my back here too when I open this. All right. Underside of the hood. There it is. A lot of life left in this one. 2003 Dodge Ram 1-ton crew cab, diesel, dually, Laramie 4x4. Did they get it all in there? Original miles, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Slip behind this too if you want to hear it from behind real quick before Jason takes it for a drive. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2003 Ram 3500 pickup truck. This is a dually. Exterior in white. Kind of a beige. Almost call it like a concrete color on the inside. This does not feel like it has as many miles as it says it does. It's a nice running truck. Very responsive in the throttle. Steering feels nice and tight. We have cup holders down here. Stereo works well. Our gauges are reading. The oil pressure showed 60 psi. The battery is charging over 14 volts. The diesel fuel tank is showing a half a tank. Tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Our temperature gauge is just coming up off of 140. AC blows cold in this truck. Wipers work as well. Very comfortable seating. Great visibility. This is a crew cab, so we have room to bring all the workmates, the friends, the family. cruise control works on this truck. Really effortless steering. I do love the throttle response. It's right there. The condition in here, this truck was well taken care of. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck inside and out at uniqueclassiccars.com.